Okay, for today's lesson, you're going to need lesson 2.11 out of your supply bag and a good old pencil. Once you have those things, go ahead and come back. Otherwise, pause and I'll wait for you. Here we go. Multiply 3-digit and 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, remember, we already started regrouping yesterday, so this should be no big deal. Alley Spring in Missouri produces an average of 567 million gallons of water per week. How many million gallons of water do the springs produce in 3 weeks? So we're going to multiply 3 times 567. So let's estimate first. Well, 567 is definitely closer to 600. So if we have 3 times 600, then we know that 3 times 6 is 18. So 3 times 600 is 1,800. Okay, now let's review the steps of regrouping. Step 1, multiply the ones. 3 times 7 ones is 21 ones. Regroup the 21s. So we're going to put the 1 down here, and we're going to put the 2 above the 10s. Step 2, multiply the 10s. 3 times 6 tens. Oh, 3 times 6 tens. 3 times 6 is 18 tens. Add the regrouped tens. So we have 18 tens plus the 2 that we put up here. That gives us 20 tens. So we're going to regroup, and we're going to put the 0 under the tens, and we're going to put the 2 above the hundreds. Step 3, multiply the hundreds. 3 times 500. Well, 3 times 5 is 15. That's 1,500. Add the regrouped hundreds. Well, we have 1,500, but we have 2 more. That makes 17. So then you would write 17 because there's no other place. So Alley Springs produces 1,701 million gallons of water in 3 weeks. Okay, turn the page. Now it's our turn. Use an estimate or an exact answer. The table shows the prices of 3 vacation packages. Jake, his parents, and his sister want to choose a package. Okay, so package A, B, and C. This is how much for adults and how much for children. About how much would package C cost Jake's family? Estimate the cost for 2 adults. Well, 2 adults, if we're doing package C, is $699. 700 is pretty close to that, so let's do an estimate. 2 times 7 is 14, so 2 times 700 is $1,400. Estimate the cost for 2 children. 2 times 484. Well, if we estimate that, that's pretty close to 500. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 500 is $1,000. Now, if we were to add these two together for an estimate, we would find that this would be about $224,000. So package C would cost Jake's family about $2,400. Okay. Jake's family wants to compare the total cost of packages A and C. Which plan costs more? How much more does it cost? So here's package A and here's package C, and they've started the problems for us. But we need to actually do the work. So 2 times 9, 18, regroup. 2 times 9, 18, plus 1, 19, regroup. 2 plus 2, or 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. 2 times 1, 2. So the adults for package A would be 2,598. $2,598. The children, 2 times 9, 18, regroup. 2 times 1, 2, plus 1 more, 3. 2 times 6, 12. So then we have to add these numbers together. 8 plus 8, 16. 9 plus 3, oh, wait. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 3. That's so much easier. 13, 8, 3. Oh, and look at this. This number matches this number right here. Must have done something right. 2 times 9 is 18. Regroup. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1, 19. Regroup. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1, 13. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Regroup. 2 times 2 is 8. I'm sorry. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Add these together. 8 plus 8 is 16. Regroup. 10 plus 6 is 16. Regroup. 10 plus 3 is 13. Regroup. 200 or 2,366. And look, it matches. All right. Subtract to compare the total cost of the packages. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 6, regroup. 13 minus 6, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 2 minus, or 3 minus 2, 1. So package A would cost $1,470 more than package C. Okay. How are we doing on our multiplication? Hope we're doing really well. We're going to turn the page. We're to the share and show. Remember, on the share and show, I'm going to move this so you can see it. On the share and show, it is your turn to try this on your own, and then you'll share your answers. If you get stuck, I'm going to be doing my answers. So go ahead and pause and come back if you get stuck. Otherwise, finish 1 through 4 and then come back when you have your answers. Welcome back. Here we go. Tell what is happening in step 1 of the problem. What's happening right here in step 1 of the problem? We are going to multiply 6 times 4 ones. And that equals 24 ones. That means we have to regroup 24 ones into 2 tens and 4 ones. We're going to estimate first, then find the product. So the estimate, 603 is very close to 600, so we're going to use 600. 600 times 4. Well, 6 times 4 is 24, so 4 times 600 is 2,400. Okay, now it's time to multiply. 4 times 3 is 12, so we're going to regroup it. 4 times 0, 0, plus 1, 1. 4 times 6, 24. So 2,412. I'd say those are pretty close. Estimate the problem. Well, this is very close to 2,000, so 2,000 times 7. So 2 times 7 is 14, meaning that 2,000 times 7 is 14,000. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 3, 21, 22, 23, 24. 7 times 9, 63, 64, 65. 7 times 1, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13,545. It's close. 8,326. We're going to round that, estimate it. So we're going to round that to 8,000. So 8 times 5 is 40. So 8,000 times 5 is 40,000. Dollar sign. Here we go. 5 times 6, 30. Regrouped. 5 times 2, 10. 11, 12, 13. Regrouped. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 1, 16. Regroup. 5 times 8, 41. 41,630. All right. For those of you just looking for the answers, here we go. Number 1, you multiplied 6 times 4 ones, which is 24 ones. Then you regroup 24 ones, and it equals 2 tens, 4 ones. 2 tens, 4 ones. Estimate 2,400. 2,412. Number 3, estimate 14,000. 13,545. Number 4, estimate $40,000. $41,630. Okay. Now it is your turn. You are going to do the rest of these problems on your own. You will need a piece of paper to do this part because you're going to have to multiply this side and this side to decide if it's greater than, less than, or equal to. Don't guess. Work the problems out. When you're done, you'll come back. So it's time to pause. When you finish this, come back and I'll share my answers. Wow, you're back already? Here we go. Check your answers against mine. If you get it wrong, remember, I'd like you to go back and try again. Number 5, 24,000. $26,528. Estimate. Number 6, $21,000. $20,300. Number 7, $24,000. $24,738. Number 8, $1,157. Okay, how did we do on this last part? Equal to, less than, less than, less than, greater than, greater than. Okay, it's that time. Now you're going to do your individual practice. This is the part you turn in. So you're going to figure out your answers for 1 through 11. Now, I'm okay if you do the estimate to help you, but when you put your answers in, I'm only looking for this answer right here. Does that make sense? I hope so. So once you've finished this paper, you're going to go back to the Google Classroom and write all your answers in the Google slide on the slide that matches. Ready? Time for practice.